All right, guys, we got the box. So as you know, it's gonna be an unboxing, of course. This one is from a guy or some guys that you've heard of quite a bit as far as things that I've done on my car. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm not 100% sure of everything that's in here. We got some stuff. All right, see what that says, guys? RX-7 brackets. So we are gonna be doing an RX-7 brake upgrade to that thing right there. Some stuff I still need to get. I'm just basically doing an unboxing on this, guys. I still do need to get brake pads, obviously, for the front and for the rear. So I gotta figure that out. We're gonna crack this open. All right, so we're cracking it open, seeing how it looks. We got some hardware right here for the brackets. This is for one bracket, this is for two brackets. So we got one of each. And here we go. So I wasn't quite sure if this was billet or what, but it looks like it is stainless from what I can tell. I actually thought they were billet, like billet aluminum, but they look to be stainless, but very nicely done, very well done. So you can see there, they got the their logo kind of just engraved into it, so it looks really cool. Looks very nice, high quality stuff. Always to be expected. I don't expect anything else, basically. So those are great. Basically what this is going to do is two of the bolts are going to go into the old part where my old bracket was for my old caliper. I'm just gonna assume those are these ones. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out when we put it on the car. I'm gonna assume those are here. They could be here. It could be one of each. I don't know. But yeah, you basically do that, and then you're gonna bolt on an RX-7 caliper. Now the RX-7 calipers are a bit bigger. I think they're a 4-piston, where the stock BMW ones are, they're just a single piston in the front, which is actually fine for, you know, autocross, for street duty, even for track duty with just brake fluid and a really good set of pads. However, I don't know, I just have always wanted to do something a little bit different on this E30, and I just kind of wanted a big brake kit, you know, and I feel like a lot of you guys have probably been wanting to do this as well. So I kind of thought I would show it to you. So they also have these rotas right here. These are 4x100. They drilled them, and it actually has a spot, which is right there, for the retainment bolt, like you would see on a factory BMW. So you do have to get these from Garagistic. They actually machine them just for us. I'm pretty sure it's that one. I also see this one here, not quite sure if that's just the factory one. I'm gonna assume that's the factory one, and that's the one for the BMW just because the way it's chamfered, but awesome. Let's see what they used here. These are C-Tech rotors, 2 of those. So I guess we'll pick up on this video. Guess I'm gonna pick up on this video soon. I guess I could post it. I don't know. We'll probably post it. If we don't post it just like this, then I'm gonna show you guys a couple more parts. So it'll be calipers and brake pads, and then we'll just do the install. So cool, nice. Subscribe. Look forward to seeing more stuff. S52 swap coming up soon. Autocross, track days, things like that are going down. So make sure to hit that notification button, guys. Later, and wrench on.